Upgrade your existing recessed cans to beautiful, controllable smart lighting in minutes with Cree Lighting Connected Max Smart LED 6-inch retrofit downlight. DIY installation is easy. Turn off the power at the breaker box before you begin. Step 1. Remove the existing trim kit, baffle, and bulb. Step 2. Screw the base of the downlight into the ceiling fixture just like an ordinary bulb. Step 3. Push the downlight and clips into the existing can. Turn the power back on and you're ready to connect to the app. Setup is fast and easy with our free Cree Lighting app. Control and manage your lights from anywhere. Create groups and schedules for convenience and security. Turn on, off, or dim your favorite shade of white, from warm, candlelight to cool sunlight. Choose your favorite white light for every occasion. Or get the party started with millions of colors. Or use Follow the Sun, and your lights will gradually shift color throughout the day to mimic natural sunlight, which can improve your mood, well-being, and productivity. Easily connect to voice assistants for even more control. Kitchen lights off. Bring beautiful, high-quality, controllable lighting to any room in your home. Cree Lighting Connected Max. Exceptional smart lighting made simple.